Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today is Wednesday, May the 16th. It is time for me to make my packing list and whatnot for our Mexico cruise, or it's technically a Western Caribbean cruise. So I figured I would show you guys how I do this. I typically, I guess, don't really do videos of this sort, but I figured why not. So what I like to do, and I do this for every trip, is I take one of these little sheets here, because this is a planner that I'm going to be taking with me on the trip because it doubles as a wallet. So I always take one of the mini sheets, and it's technically called an hourly sheet, and so I use this to plan out a packing list, and then the back will be an itinerary. So like I said, because I will be taking the mini happy planner with me, I like to just make sure we have all of the information that we are going to need. So if you would like to see the rest of this video, then please keep watching. Okay, so to me the most stressful part is getting this the way that I want it to be, and so that is typically where I start. And so usually what I do is I just take some of these checklists and I put those down to create like a checklist. So after that is complete, what I then like to do is just cover up this part, because I won't need the by the hour part. What I really need and what I really can use is one of these stickers, maybe. No, I don't think it's gonna say the right thing. I need it to say like packing list. That's fine. I know where I can find a packing list sticker. I'll overlap it over that just a little bit. And then what I normally like to do is not so much today's focus, so I will likely cover that up with a different sticker. Maybe should have thought this out a little bit better so I don't have to go flipping through all of these sticker books, but I'm looking for a big rainbow, which it's probably in the back, so I don't use that much. We might cover up today's focus. We might not. It's not like a huge thing. Let's see if there's a red one, since we're going with a red. And that arrow sticker should be big enough to cover that up, which I think it will be. Just gonna put this here. We'll leave date there because we do actually have a date. So the date, I mean, if we want to get really fancy, why not? We'll get the dates and holiday. No, we'll get the dates and holiday sticker book and put the dates and be like super fancy and put the date using stickers. So we'll do that sticker in those. Okay, so that's how that's looking. And then Cozumel. I wish there was like a Mexico sticker, but that's probably asking for too much. So let's see what the alphabet sticker book has. I'm sure we can get, and we can write Mexico. We'll just write Mexico in like a small black font, I think. And you could totally like have color coordinated that. I'm just not too picky. Like you could maybe just use like this color and pink and whatever, because I'm going to leave those there. But I'm not too picky about that. So this M might be way too big. It is. For Mexico, you guys think that'd be too big? Yeah, let's just do, actually we're going to add a little of this. So we will do, and you could totally write this if you don't have stickers, but again, or if you don't even care to use stickers. But again, I'm just being extra because I'm on camera. I don't actually ever really cover up the brain dump, but I do want to add like a piece of washi. So I'm just going to use this Dollar Tree washi. And I'll probably use, why don't we just use yellow since it's going to be, since that I feel like the sun and yellow, and I want to see how this holds up. So I'm going to put in Itinerary in gold as well. I'm going to do it with the smaller gold. So I mean, pretty much I've done like the bulk of what, I mean, I've shown you guys the bulk of what I do. It's pretty simple, not anything like fancy by any means. And then I'm just going to put our itinerary for each day. So I will use different kinds of washi to separate this. So I may fast forward through this part and then come back. Okay guys, so this is the finished product. This little sheet works for me. Again, I was a little bit more fancy considering I was doing this on camera. That's a little bit crooked, but I'm not going to be bothered by that. But this is just a little sheet that I like to take, and I take these on every trip. And so my packing list, the way that I pack by like groups. So when I look at bathing suits, I'm going to go get all of my bathing suits. And even the cover-ups, because I consider those to be like a part of the bathing suits. I'm going to go get all of my toiletries. I'm going to compile all of my sunglasses. I'm going to spread everything out on the floor in the categories. And then I'm going to make sure that I have everything. I did get a little bit more specific down here because sometimes I feel like I need to do that if there's a staple item that I want to bring. Like I got to remember like if I for sure wanted to take my brown wedges, I would like for sure make sure that I was putting that there. But I have wedges there because I don't really care which wedges I'm just gonna get whatever wedges that I like at the time whenever I'm picking them, or whichever ones I feel match the outfit best, or whatever the case is. But sometimes I do get specific. So I did get specific with some of my like staple pieces. This is kind of like things that we need to get done before, so we will take care of those. These are things that we need to get done later, and I love doing that just so when I get back I'm not like completely like out of it and I don't know what it is that I need to be doing. So there's a few of the things that need to take place when I get back for sure. And then the back we have the itinerary. So I still don't have the times of these excursions because I'm too lazy to actually get up and log into the Carnival account and see when they are. But I'll do that probably after this video, but you guys see the point of this. I just kind of have a general itinerary of what needs to take place. And to be honest, I'm not like completely forgetful. I know what time, you know, we need to check in here or we need to be there or whenever it is. I just want to like reference it in the event that I need to reference it. But I'll just have this right here, and it'll be just a quick reference when we're leaving, whenever we arrive, when we get on the cruise ship, when we get off, just to know what it is that I need to expect. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.